हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम एक्सक्रेटरी सिस्टम ऑफ अर्थवर्म के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। द एक्सक्रेटरी सिस्टम ऑर्गन्स आर सेगमेंटली अरेंज होता है एंड माइक्रोस्कोपिक कॉइल ट्यूबल्स होता है और कॉल द इसको नेफ्रिडिया बोलते हैं। नेफ्रिडिया आर एक्टोडर्मल इन द ओरिजिन, दे आर द टिपिकली अनब्रांचेज होता है एंड इनर एंड ओपन होता है इनटू कोलियम में बाय द सिलेटेड फुनल is called the nephrostome. A large number of small size nephridia are the found in each segment are called the micronephridia and mesonephridia. Nephridia occurs in all segment of the body except for first three segment. According to their locomotion in body, there are three types: septal nephridia, integumentary नेफ्रिडिया, फेरेंगियल नेफ्रिडिया। ये स्ट्रक्चर है इसका। एंड सेप्टल नेफ्रिडिया के बारे में भी हम पढ़ रहे। ये दे आर लार्जेस्ट नेफ्रिडिया ऑफ द पेरिटीमा एंड फाउंड सिचुएटेड ऑन द इंटरसेगमेंट सेप्टम बिटवीन द 15th and 16th segment to the posterior side of the body. Each septum bear nephridia on both the surface arranged in the semicircle around the intestine or two row in the forehead of the septum और टू behind it होता है। 40 to 50 nephridia are present in the each septum in the forehead and same number of behind, so each segment has 80 to 100 septal nephridia except the 15th segment को छोड़ के। The 15th segment has only 40 to 50 nephridia. स्ट्रक्चर इसका मतलब typically septal nephridia consist nephrostome, neck and body of the nephridia and terminal duct. Nephrostome also मतलब known as the ciliated funnel or nephridiostome. Proximal funnel जो होता है, proximal funnel shape structure of the nephridium lying in the coleum and it is the consist of elliptical pore bounded by the so-called upper and lower lips. The upper lip is form large central cell, 8 or 9 marginal cells. The lower lip is form of 4 to 5 compact cells. All the cells are ciliated. Neck. The nephrostome lead into a short and narrow ciliated canal forming the neck. It is the join the nephrostome to the body of the nephridia. Body of nephridium. It has the two part of short straight lobe and long twisted lobe. The loop is formed by the two limbs. The proximal limbs are distal limbs. Both the limbs are the twisted in the spirally around each other. Or the numbers of the twisted is the 9 to 13. Or the neck of the nephridia and terminal duct join together or remain the connect with the proximal limb of the twisted loop. A distal limb because straight lobe. Internally, nephridia is the made up of the connective tissue matrix having the long coil nephridia duct forming the loop. Terminal duct. The distal limbs of the body of the nephridium and in the short and narrow is the duct is called the terminal duct. It join the nephridia with the septal excretory canal. Integumentary nephridia. Each segment of the body of from 7th to last segment, numerous nephridia are found attached inside the lining of the body wall. Is called the integumentary nephridia. They are about 200 to 250 nephridia in each segment except the segment of the lateral region. The numbers of increase 2000 consisting of the forest of the nephridia. They are the microscopic bee like in the shape and लक नेफ्रोस्टोम. इसमें नेफ्रोस्टोम absent रहते नहीं रहते हैं विदाउट ओपनिंग इनटू द कोइलम. इसमें कोइलम में बिना ओपन हुए ये हैं. Hence they are called the closed type of the nephridia. Each nephridium opened by the nephriospores on the outer surface of the body wall directly. Integumentary nephridia discharge the excretory waste directly outside. Hence they are called the exonephric nephridia. Pharyngeal nephridia. The nephridia lie in the three pair of the tusk, one either side of the anterior region, alimentary canal in the segment fourth, fifth or sixth. The tufts of the pharyngeal nephridia also contain the blood gland. ये ब्लड ग्लैंड को कंटेन करते हैं. ऑल्सो each nephridia is about the size of the septal nephridia, but it is the closed type of having no funnel or nephroistome. ये क्लोज टाइप के होते हैं, इसमें नो फुनेल रहते हैं एंड ना फिर नेफ्रोस्टोम ऑल्सो नॉट देयर. इट हैज़ द शॉर्ट स्ट्रेट लोब एंड स्पेरली ट्विस्टेड लोब. इट इज़ ल्यूमन हैज़ द सिलेटेड कैनल्स. देयर आर थ्री पेयर्स ऑफ कॉमन pharyngeal nephridia run anteriorly parallel to the ventral nerve cord. Duct of the sixth segment open into the buccal cavity, while those of the fourth and fifth open into the pharynx. The nephridia also discharge their waste into the alimentary canal and enteronephric. Enteronephric nephridia open into the anterior region of the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is the buccal cavity and pharynx are called the peptonephridia. Pharyngeal nephridia produce of enzymes like the amylase, tyrosine, prolinase, dipeptides, aminopeptides, etc., which hydrolyze foodstuffs. Nephridia work like the salivary gland. Physiology of excretions. Like other animals, earthworm also protein catabolism result in the formation of the nitrogenous waste substance like amino acid हो गया, ammonia, urea. In earthworm, uric acid is not found. Amino acid are degraded to the form free amino, and the urea is the synthesis in the chlorogen cells. They are the release into the colymic fluid and also in the blood for the removal. ब्लड को भी ये रिमूव करता है. फ्री अमीनो एसिड आर द नॉट एक्सीरेटेड बट ट्रेस ऑफ द क्रेटाइनी occurs in the urine. Septal nephridia also eliminated excretory nephridia from the coelomic fluid. Integumentary nephridia beginning exonephria discharge excretory material to the outer surface of the body through the nephriospores. The nephridio, in the addition to excretory, are also the osmoregulatory in the functions. So thank you for listening.